Here is a smartphone in my hands. You can watch it. Nice. So you guys, how are you today? I'm well, and I'm here to talk to you about a smartphone. It's really bad that you don't get topic to talk to in front of camera or others. So I'll talk about a smartphone. So you can watch my smartphone doesn't work. My smartphone doesn't work. It's a matter through that for me. I run Facebook, YouTube and page groups by this phone. Right now I'm in a big problem. I cannot do my daily works by this phone, so I fully depend on this phone. So right now I'm in a I'm at loss. I don't get anywhere to do to solve my problem. So I I wanted some money from my uncle to buy new phone. So he said he won't be able to give money because he was in a bad position. So he said to ask another uncle, means little uncle. So I don't ask my uncle. So I'll ask after making video. So I record video each day by that phone. You are watching me by that phone. That phone is not mine. That phone is not mine. It's Joy Ahmed's phone. He's my friend. Whenever he come beside my around, then I go, as well as I bring it to record video, and after recording I receive this all videos to my phone by Share. Share is a best website to receive phone easily, so to receive videos easily. So each day after recording I receive all videos by Share to this phone. So you guys, if you learn something from my video, please let me know in comment sections, as well as if you have any questions about my video, about my phone, about my communications or speaking, then you can put down your comments in comment sections. I'll answer all questions and all asking. So thank you very much. See you soon. I'm going to end up my video here today. Thank you very much for watching me. I'll come in front of camera tomorrow to record new videos to upload Facebook page, as well as group, another website whichever I run. Thank you very much for watching me.